Right, I got a second-hand TD04-13T off an E39. I've got a strip down here. This back housing is different, the way it bolts onto my manifold. So I'm going to try and use the original back housing I have and put the cartridge into my turbo. And I don't know if I have to use the front or not, the compressor housing, but we'll see. So you can see they're pretty much the same on the back end, but on this side the 13T is a lot longer. So I'm going to try and swap the cartridges, and I don't know if I'm going to have to swap this side or not. So this is a 13 cartridge, this is 11 compressor housings. So the oil returns I'm going to have to cut and join. Well, there you go, a 13T turbo cartridge and 11G housing. The downpipe's disconnected, I might ignore that there, but there's the new oil feed hose made up. There's the oil return. That's the indicator hard pipe, ignore that there, I haven't made the video for that yet. And then there's a meal down there with the hose coming out. There you go. It does feel better. It pulls better through the rev range. It's nice, handy, cheap mod.